Hey, what's up, everybody? I got another song here that I'm going to do called The Anger's Remorse. This song is really a unique song, how it's played. It's got a lot of key change. But yeah, this is a really, really good song, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. It's off of Alan Wake 2. But yep, here we go. This one's called Anger's Remorse by Old Gods of Asgard. Look in a mirror, the cobweb of my soul, on my face forever, seeking to be whole, driven by passion, raging like a storm, with thunder and lightning and this hubris I was born. Blood, heart, and vein, I risk to take it all. Blind to your pain, your wounds, my downfall. You can relight my fire when a shame becomes a pale horse. Stories harboring a liar, but you're the seer can break the curse. We're in the twilight of my years. I am nothing but anger's remorse. Nothing but anger's remorse. Nothing but anger's remorse. You are my light, the spark inside my soul. The venom and spite, tears will forever flow. And I did you wrong, and I never said it right. Since you played along, brave for black and white. Waves of despair, an ocean of desolation, fighting for air, my swan song. Eden, you can relight my fire when a shame becomes a pale horse. The stories harboring a liar, but you're the seer can break the curse. We're in the twilight of my years. I'm nothing but anger's remorse. Nothing but anger's remorse. Dive through the dark to find a light on the other side. You will find in there the peace you're missing. when her shade becomes a pale horse. The story's harboring a liar, but you're the seer can break the curse. For in the twilight of my years, I am nothing but anger's remorse. Nothing but anger's remorse. Hope you guys enjoyed that beautiful tune, and stay tuned. I'm going to be posting more videos as soon as possible. Y'all have a good night.